Smoke detectors save lives, but only when they are installed, tested, and maintained correctly. According to the UAE Fire and Life Safety Code, smoke detection system must follow NFPA 72 design principles, be installed by certified contractors, be tested as per AMC schedules.